So Aptos airdrop only 2 or 3% of the entire supply, and they allocated 51% for the community. So in my opinion, Aptos is super underfarmed right now, and not a lot of people pay attention to Aptos, while everyone is farming Lania and also Ziki Sync. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can properly farm Aptos to fully qualify for the airdrop. So first of all, you'll need to download one of these Aptos supported wallets, like for example Martian. So to do that, you'll need to add it to your browser and then just save your secret recovery phrase and log into your wallet. Other wallet you can use is, for example, Petra, and the last one is Pontem. So I'm using Pontem because I downloaded that a while ago, and it doesn't really matter which one you're gonna use. Any of these wallets will help you to qualify for the airdrop. So the first step you wanna do, you want to go over to Aptos Bridge, you wanna connect your wallet, and then you wanna transfer your assets from one network, from EVM address to Aptos wallet. So if you click on your addresses, you can see we can send some funds from Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism. I would definitely recommend you guys to send it from Arbitrum or Optimism or BNB, because you're gonna pay very little in fees. So I'm just gonna send 0.015 to Aptos and click on transfer. So once you have your funds in your wallet, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna use the built-in swap feature in our wallet, and we're gonna get our wrap Ethereum that we bridge to Aptos, and we're gonna swap it to Aptos. So in this example, let's do, for example, like 0.03 or 0.05 maybe. So we're gonna get above 1 Aptos, and once you got that, you can click on swap button, and you can see the fees on Aptos are basically none, so you're almost doing that for free. You can also use different bridges, like for example Liquid Swap, and this is powered by layer 0, so you have a really high chance that you also qualify for the layer 0 airdrop when they're gonna announce that. You don't have to use all of these bridges at once. You can use one bridge today, second bridge you can use next week, and maybe next month you can use another bridge. So the last bridge I want to show you is Portal Bridge, so you can use this one as well. So now the first application we want to use is PancakeSwap. Of course, all of these links you're gonna find down below. So go ahead, connect your wallet, and select the supported wallet that you downloaded. So in my case, it will be Pontem. And now what we're gonna do, we will swap the remaining Ether what we have in this wallet, and we're gonna get it to Aptos. So let's say we're gonna swap 75% and click on the swap button. So now that's completed. We can go to Liquid Swap, and we can use also the swap feature, and also you can provide some liquidity to it. So we're gonna go ahead and click on select tokens, and you have a ton of different tokens that you can choose from. So let's say we're gonna select USDC, and let's swap like 2 Aptos to USDC and click on the swap button. We can go ahead and provide liquidity, but you can do it at the end, because when you finish your route, it's just better to leave your funds there, because right now you want to do as much volume as possible. So the another app we can use is Thala. So in here, just connect your wallet, and in here you don't have to use all of the different features. So you click on the swap button, and from this section select the assets that you have. So for example, I have the USDC, and I'm gonna get it back to Aptos. Click on the swap button, and now click on the confirm. So the another one is Cetus, and here you just want to select the chain as Aptos, and then you want to connect your wallet, and here you just want to select your Aptos coins that you want to swap to USDC. So click on the swap button and then confirm the swap. Next up, you want to go to Aptos Swap, and here just select the coins that you have. So for example, in my case, I have USDC, and we're gonna swap it back to Aptos. So select the maximum amount and click on the swap button. Another app we can use is Omnis. So in here, let's say we're gonna mint some APT tokens, so like 0.02, and we're gonna click on mint only. So now you can go ahead and provide this as liquidity on different protocols. So I'm just gonna do it on Liquid Swap. So I would just go with there, select the tokens that I have, and click on add liquidity. Another app you can use is Bluemove. So in here you can go ahead and buy some NFTs. So let's say you wanna click on that one, and you can see some of these NFTs are expensive, so you don't have to buy them. But if you're gonna find anything cheaper, you can go ahead, for example, to inscriptions in here, and you can see that some of these NFTs are really cheap, so you can go ahead and you can buy one of them. Another marketplace is Topaz. So in here you can also buy some NFTs, and the last marketplace is Wapol. So in here also you can buy NFTs. Then you can go ahead and you can register your Aptos domain. So just search for the domain that you want to register and click register. Now what you want to do is you want to go to Galxe, and we want to do this simple quest, and also really important, you can see only 66 people did them. Not a lot of people pay attention to Galxe at this point, but you can see they have something like submit your wallet, which if you remember during the testnet, you only had to supply your address email to receive the airdrop. So once you click on the third task, you will get the pop-up, so just submit your wallet address and then submit your email address and click submit. And that's pretty much all what you have to do. If you want to explore any other apps, you can go to Aptos Foundation ecosystem, and here you can view all of different applications. So I definitely recommend you guys to use 25 different contracts. If you can manage to hit 100 transactions, that definitely is going to be better for your entire wallet, and volume and activity over time will definitely bring you more tokens in the future. And if you guys found this video useful, you know what to do. Smash that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm, comment down below what you think about this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow me on Twitter because this is where I update you with the daily alpha. And I'll see you in the next one.